All right, y'all, so this is my guy Eric bike that work here at Harley. As y'all can see, he's got the Clockworks put on. So I'm asking him to step out so we can hear it, man. I always see some bikers place this on their air filter. Okay. All right, let's see what's up. All right, you gotta let us know what you just installed. All right, what you just installed, bro?
So I just installed this back pad. I'm joking. 4.5-inch Chrome Werks and bronze armor.
Yeah, that is beautiful, bro. And how long you said it took you?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Wow.
35, but who's counting? You know?
And you like it?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out, bro.
I think I like it.
Okay. Let's see what he got. Sounds so good. Oh, what's going on, Will Nation? This is Will Jr. I trust all is well. We're about to hear these Chrome work pipes. Oh my gosh. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Oh. Real talk, bro. Them things sound like Reinhardt's too, man. Just because of the deep tone.
Reinhardt sound like Chrome Werks.
Well, then I'm gonna bring some clippers and cut his beard. Bro, this sound.
The deciding factor for me was that they came in bronze armor.
Yeah,
so I didn't have
that's
to
right.
put the heat shields back on.
So now the whole pipe is bronze armor then now.
Well, they already are, but it's just from here back.
Yeah, from the. So now you don't have to put the heat shield, or the heat shield come with it.
I don't have to put the heat shields on here. It is bronze armor.
Wow. Now that's not going to turn though, is it? Oh. It ain't?
They're gonna turn. It's all down.
It's all down. Okay. Okay. That's good. Gosh. Bro, look what they just got in at Savannah Harley, bro. What's up, big guy? Oh, Chris. What's up, bro? What you doing? Hey guys, we got Chris in the building. You just hooked that one up too?
Yeah.
Bro, you be cooking. Isn't this nice, man?
Oh my god.
I know.
I love it.
But see, now you're a detailer. How long would you have to take to get those right?
The spokes?
Yeah. Seriously?
Take some, like a steel wool pad.
Yeah.
You know, scrub them down, wash them off, and then it should be fine.
Wow. I was thinking 2 hours.
Oh no.
Really?
No. You have just a little tiny piece of steel wool.
Mm-hmm.
Come in, you just rub all these spokes. You know, it should clean up pretty nice.
Man, this is so sexy, man. And I'm not even a road glide dude, but oh, I will convert, bro.
Change the bars a little bit.
Oh yeah, oh
A little bit
yeah.
higher.
Yeah. I'll have to at least go 16. I'll go 16 bars.
Yep.
Probably switch the seat out. Definitely Reinhardt pipes. And well, I'm so used to that tall boy seat. Well, I may not have to switch the seat out. And I probably get either stage 3 or stage 4 and be done.
Yeah, there you go.
Now, does this come with the Rockfords too?
Yeah.
It comes with the Rockfords, bro.
Street glider once it comes with Rockford.
So CVO Road Glide, CVO Street Glide comes with the Rockford fall skates. Oh my gosh.
I just love those rims.
Wow, bro. This will make me convert. Will you convert for this, Ross? No, just this whole bike. This is beautiful.
Come on. You want me, I'll give equal with that trade appraisal.
No, I'm keeping equal, bro. I have to be on some rich man stuff and get both of them. Oh, I definitely have to get rid of this heel toe shifter. I have to get rid of that as soon as possible.
You're not good enough to heel toe shift?
At all. I will admit it, at all. Tyrone! What's up, bro? What's up? Bro, looks like I may be getting me a CVO, man. They're gonna deliver it to the house, and after they deliver it to the house, now I'm just playing. Man, my God bike sounds good though, bro. Woo. Look at that, get on, get it, bro. Woo. Hey, but real talk, 42 or 43 is not bad for the CVO, bro. Oh man, Ross, you said you would get it, but what is it you can't get over, Ross? Right, and I know no matter how many times people say, huh?
Sharp look in the front.
Oh yeah. I mean, yes, people say, well, you shouldn't be looking down anyway. Bro, you're going to look down and around on your bike, especially at regular speed. Now, high speed, yes, you definitely should be looking straight. But man, you're gonna be looking at it when you turn and things gonna still be looking the same. It's like, what the world? But all right, man, we're about to get us some Dickie's barbecue, bro. How did I do, Ross, towards the suicide?
Good.
Yeah! I'm improving, bro.
You improving. You got lots of miles now.
Yeah! But see, I'm trying to do like the, how the 1%ers do. I wonder, how do they turn? Because if they're riding suicide...
It's all like this.
Do it again, how is it?
Like this.
See, that's what I want to do, man.
One.
But see, how do they turn? How do they know when they're turning, though?
They got to communicate. You know, watch the body language.
Okay. All right, so I got to do that, y'all. Nation, can this day get any better, bro? My guy, Barber CVO, that's right, in the building, is about to be rocking in the South with us, bro. Ooh, Robert Simmons, Barber CVO, Goofy Word Looking Wood Jr. Whoa! Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, and he's picking this mansion. This is a mansion we're in. Barber CVO has a butler downstairs. Where's your butler, bro? Huh? Where's your butler? Look at this, man. Ah, bro, this is what you call that loan money. See, I got that money that when you sneeze, like, look you, $20. It's that loan money, bro. Gosh, this is nice, man. Man, hey, I'm telling you, I'm sure y'all gonna see this on Barber CVO video too. Hey, y'all be thinking I be posting quick. That dude, he probably done already posted already. Bro, this is beautiful, man. Wow. Okay, New York coming down to the south. Okay. Whew, man, y'all, I'm so stuffed, man. Oh, I'm so stuffed, bro. Man, Ross, it's just that, y'all know we normally grub at Dickie's Barbecue. Then we get a call, it's like, bro, somebody want to say what's up. I'm like, who, man? Barber CVO. I was like, I'm on the way. Barber CVO coming to the south, man. He's right. Coming to the south.
Barber CVO coming to the south,
Can't wait
baby.
to see you get here.
Yes,
yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Barber CVO in
The building, baby.
Into the building.
Off to see the next house.
Woo! Hey, y'all know this guy here, man. Big Rob.
All right.
Big Rob, man. Stop saying his last name, yo. No.
If you're going to say them together, that's one thing. I call the guy because I hate Simmons.